Welcome to Stay Tuned, a voiceover series initiated by We God Guru, a music school in Bangalore that provides music lessons with a panel of 45 plus seasoned and certified tutors. I'm Anurupa, your host for this episode, and in today's segment, we are going to talk about the legendary band Led Zeppelin. Led Zeppelin is an English band that was formed in London in 1968 by guitarist Jimmy Page. Before that, Jimmy Page was in the band called the Yardbirds since 1966 and performed with the Yardbirds during their last performance before breaking up. They gave Jimmy the right to use the band name however he wanted. Page also had a lineup in mind and called up Terry Reid to be the vocalist, but he refused. So singer Robert Plant joined in. He also recommended a drummer named Bonham. Both of them performed in the band of Joy. Later, John Paul Jones was inquiring about the vacancy in the band for a bassist, and since Page knew Jones, he was accepted into the band. Led Zeppelin was initially known as the New Yardbirds and performed under the band name at the Gladsaxe Teen Clubs in Gladsaxe, Denmark. On September 7, 1968, during their Scandinavian tour, the change from New Yardbirds to Led Zeppelin took place when the bassist of the Yardbirds, Chris Dreja, stated Page that the band name was to be used for the particular tour only. Led Zeppelin fans say that the name stemmed from the hysterical conversation between the band about how several musicians are about to get to their chances going down like a lead balloon. However, Jimmy Page said it was Kate Moon who suggested the name, saying, "You'll go over like a lead balloon." Zeppelin made 8 studio albums, and it all started with their 1969 self-titled debut album, Led Zeppelin, which emerged in the top 10 album charts in several countries. However, the album also features tracks as Good Times, Bad Times, Dazed and Confused, and Communication Breakdown. In the same year, on October the 22nd, Led Zeppelin put out their second album, Led Zeppelin II. Interestingly, Ramble On was inspired by the stories of The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit, and Robert Plant singing the lyrics, "Gotta find the girl of my dreams," which makes this song sound like the ultimate quest. The 1970 saw the release of their third album, which was called The Led Zeppelin III. This also had one of the most popular songs, that is the Immigrant Song. When this song was played in the Marvel movie, Thor Ragnarok, that's when Led Zeppelin became the epitome of pop culture again. Another album, the Led Zeppelin IV, came out in 1971, and it is one of the most famous band albums, garnering a sale of 37 million album copies at that time. It was this album that gave us the song Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin's most famous song and most influential song in the rock history. Apart from the coincidence is that when the song is played backwards, it sounds like a plant singing about the devil. It also is about the fact that the song is about a woman getting everything she wanted without giving anything back. It was their Physical Graffiti album in 1975 that yielded their next hit, Kashmir. It was originally titled Driving to Kashmir, and the lyrics came to Plant while he was driving along the narrow never-ending road in southern Morocco. In 1980, the death of the legendary drummer John Bonzo Bonham had marked the end of the Led Zeppelin. Esteemed for his speed, power, single fast-footed kick drumming, distinctive sound, and the feel for the groove, he was regarded as one of the greatest and most influential rock drummers in the history. After his death, Zeppelin disbanded. Apart from selling close to 300 million albums worldwide, winning awards and topping many charts, they were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1995. Along with that, the UK Music Hall of Fame in 2006. They also received the honor of the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award in 2005, and 4 of their recordings have been inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame. That's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Drop in a like and let us know in the comment section what you'd like us to talk about in the next episode. Do share this video because sharing is caring, and also subscribe so you'll always stay tuned with us and will never miss out on any of our episodes. See you in the upcoming episodes. Till then, stay safe and take care.